In this video, we're going to talk about the top 10 jobs that may be affected by artificial intelligence in the next 5 years. Job number 1. Data entry clerks are responsible for accurately and efficiently inputting data into computer systems. This may include transcribing information from physical documents, updating databases, and verifying data for accuracy. With the development of AI technologies such as natural language processing, it is possible that some tasks performed by data entry clerks may be automated, potentially leading to job displacement in the field. Job number 2. Customer service representatives are responsible for handling customer inquiries and complaints, often via phone, email, or live chat. While AI may be able to handle some routine inquiries and provide predetermined responses to customer questions, it is unlikely to be able to handle more complex or nuanced customer interactions, such as providing personalized recommendations or resolving escalated issues. Job number 3. Factory workers are responsible for a variety of tasks in manufacturing environments, such as assembling products, operating machinery, and conducting quality checks. Many of these tasks involve repetitive and predictable work, which makes them a potential target for automation by AI. Job number 4. Transcriptionists are responsible for listening to audio recordings and transcribing the spoken words into written form. This job requires strong listening and typing skills, as well as attention to detail. As this job involves a high level of repetitive and predictable work, it is a potential candidate for automation by AI. Job number 5. Bookkeeping and accounting clerks are responsible for handling financial documents and data, such as invoices, receipts, and bank statements. They may also assist with tasks such as payroll, budgeting, and preparing financial reports. While some aspects of this work may be automated by AI, it is unlikely that the entire job will be replaced. Job number 6. Retail salespersons are responsible for assisting customers in finding and purchasing products in retail stores or online. They may also be responsible for tasks such as stocking shelves, operating cash registers, and providing product demonstrations. While AI may be able to handle some routine customer inquiries and assist with basic sales tasks, it is unlikely to be able to handle more complex customer interactions or sales negotiations. Job number 7. Fast food workers are responsible for tasks such as taking orders, preparing food, and maintaining the cleanliness of the restaurant. Many of these tasks involve repetition and may be automated by AI in the future. Job number 8. Bank tellers are responsible for handling financial transactions and providing customer service at banks and credit unions. They may assist with tasks such as processing deposits, withdrawals, and loan payments, as well as answering customer questions and resolving issues. While some aspects of this work may be automated by AI, it is unlikely that the entire job will be replaced. Job number 9. Delivery drivers are responsible for transporting goods from one location to another, often using a vehicle such as a car, truck, or van. While self-driving vehicles may eventually be able to handle some delivery tasks, it is unlikely that the entire job of a delivery driver will be replaced by AI. Job number 10. Tax preparers are responsible for assisting individuals and businesses with preparing and filing their taxes. They may also provide guidance on tax-related issues and help clients take advantage of tax deductions and credits. While some aspects of this work may be automated by AI, it is unlikely that the entire job will be replaced. It is important to note that while AI may automate certain tasks within these jobs, it is unlikely that entire jobs will be eliminated completely. Instead, the roles and responsibilities of workers may shift to focus more on tasks that require human judgment and decision-making. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great videos in the future. Thank you again for watching.